Good evening, children. In today's class, I am revising the construction of tangents to circles. How to construct tangent to circles from a point on circumference when angle between radii or angle between tangents are given. How to construct tangents to the end points of the diameter. All these things have been done for you. Just it's a revision for you. So how to construct a tangent whenever angle between radii is given? This is very similar to construction of tangent at any point of circumference. Idukku agutte. Angle between radii given, first construct two radii with the given angle. Let us say angle between radii is given some 80 degree. Circle of convenient radius I have drawn. Two radii you construct. One radii you draw, use the protractor, measure 80 degree, then construct one more radii. Now to construct tangents at the end points of these two radii, what we will do? Recalling, take a convenient radius, reach point Q and construct a semicircle. Done. Semicircular region. Now it is cutting a point on OQ. Reach that point. Mark an arc with the same radius. Go to that arc and construct one more arc on that. So that means what? Two arcs you are constructing. You can do in two different ways. Both the ways help you to recall. First thing is what? Take a convenient radius. Okay, let me do. So we'll take a convenient radius and we'll be constructing a semicircle. I am doing it from point Q now. I have done. Now this region, it has cut a point on OQ and on circumference. That you need not worry about that. You can extend it further, make it a semicircle also. So when you make a semicircular region, you want one more point. So that's why extend this OQ. So I have extended OQ like this now. We have got two new points. Let me name as A and B in short. So now use these two new points with the same radius. Go to point A, cut an arc. Go to point B and cut an arc. Again with the same radius. Go to two new points what you have got and construct two more arcs so that those arcs they meet at a particular point. Now join this new point with Q. That's what you are supposed to do for construction of a tangent from an external point. Now when angle between radii is given, so for one radius you did construct tangent, then do similar process for P. So I am reaching point P, constructing an arc. I am not extending. With the same radius, I will go to new point formed on OP, cut an arc, go to that arc, cut one more arc on the previous semicircular region, one at top and one at bottom. That means, like this also you can construct a perpendicular. So what we are doing is we are constructing perpendicular to the given line segment. So we can join. Now we did join and we have got let us say some new point R. Now PR and QR are the required tangents. Angle between radii was given. Now you have got angle between tangents also. Let us imagine angle between radii is given 80 degree. Angle between tangents will come 100 degree. Total sum will be 180. Then let us go for the reverse case. In examination they have asked you, or they have given the angle between tangents. When angle between tangents are given, then you subtract it from 180, then do the same process. When angle between radii given, same process. When angle between tangents given, just find out the angle, subtract from 180 and do it. Any point on circumference, do like this. So these are the three varieties you can get tangent at any point on circumference. One more thing is tangent at the end point of diameter. Same way you can do it. Diameter can be constructed and at the end points you draw two perpendiculars. Only difference, and you need to be very careful, is whenever you are supposed to construct tangents to circle at the end points of chord, always remember chord and tangent are not perpendicular to each other. So if I want to draw tangent to the end points of chord, first simple thing I am supposed to do is the end point of chord you join with center and extend it. So what you have got now, OA is the radius. You know how to construct tangent to OA now. Taking semicircle, proper measurements, this is what I have shown is rough now. Construct a tangent like here. Similar way you do. Whenever whenever you are supposed to construct tangent to the end points of chord, then only need to be careful. Then construction of tangent to circle from an external point. So in the figure I have shown a circle with center O and an external point B. Now from B I should construct tangents to circles. How many tangents I can construct? That is, I can construct maximum 2 tangents. How to construct? To construct tangents, first of all, I should bisect the line segment OB. Line segment OB is to be bisected perpendicularly. So how to bisect the line segment OB perpendicularly? Recall what you had done earlier. Take more than half of OB. I have taken approximately this much. Take more than half of OB. Construct 2 arcs on either side from O with the same radius. Go to point B and construct 2 more arcs so that they meet each other. So now these 2 meeting arcs will give you the perpendicular bisector of line OB. So line OB has been bisected perpendicularly. It need not come on the circle only, circumference only. This is just because of measurement only. Now what you got, the meeting point, let us imagine this has some x. X is the midpoint of OB. So reach x, take your compass, measure OB and check, it will be equal to OX also. XO and XB will be equal. Now by taking x as the center, construct a circle. While I take x as a circle and construct a circle and x as a center, now I'll get 2 meeting points, or the points where 2 circles meet each other. There are 2 points where 2 circles intersect each other. Mark them, name them let us say PQ. Now this meeting points we join with B. So when I join the meeting point with B, I will get the required tangent. So tangent QB is an external tangent drawn from external point B. Similarly, I have tangent PB. So PB and QB are the required tangents from external point to the circle. So that means to a circle from external point you can construct two tangents, and at a point on circumference you can construct a single tangent. So these are the varieties of problems you may get on construction of tangents. Practice them by taking your own convenient radius. Thank you.